What's going on, everybody? We're back with another unboxing video, and this one I'm actually pretty excited about. I've wanted a Traxxas Rally for a while. Even when they were brushed, I knew they were going to be kind of slow. Probably had to upgrade it to be faster, but always liked them, still wanted one. Then they finally come out with the VXL Rally, and there was no more waiting around, just had to pick one up. So we're going to open this one, take a look at it, go out and run it, and actually do a out-of-the-box speed test and see what this thing's all about. Stay tuned. Alright, oh, got it in the green on black. Oh, got some straps there. I'm gonna go get some scissors, be right back. Cut. Alright, look at that. Well, that's a good looking car. So I'm pretty excited about this one. I think it'll be fun, you know, on road and off road. Let's take the body off. Alright, got the body off. Take a look at the chassis here. It's have heavy duty shocks, steel wheel hexes, aluminum center drive shaft. It's gonna be nice. It goes with all your optional speed gear, all the normal tools, Traxxas TQI radio. Look at that body. Let's have the clipless body mounts. That's pretty easy to snap on. Set down. Boom, just like that. Alright, I think it's time to charge up the battery and take this thing out for a spin. Alright, we're outside now. Got a 3S battery in there. We're gonna make a couple speed runs and then we'll throw the GPS on it and see how fast this thing is out of the box. And then maybe take it somewhere else if we got time today and drive it off road somewhere. But there you go. Alright, here we go. Pretty lively. That's pretty quick. Let's put this GPS on it. Alright. Peak speed, alright. See 0. Put that on the car. Alright, here we go. I think it's going to go 35. Survey says nothing. Alright, let's do it again. Alright, got a fix zeroed out. Alright, try that again. I got 42 miles an hour out of the box. That's pretty quick. That was with the stock gearing, the supplied high-speed gearing is still in the bag. We might throw that in on a later date and see how fast we can really get to go. But so let's see if we can find some dirt and go play with it. Alright guys, kind of ran out of time today on going somewhere to properly run this thing, but man, I really enjoy it. It's a fun little car, plenty of power on 3S. I'm glad Traxxas finally released a VXL version of this. I've wanted this car for a while. Happy to finally have it. But that's going to be it today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Later.